Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, you will learn the absolute best settings that you can use on OBS to record in high quality footage. Now, the first thing we need to do is open up OBS right here, and then once you are on the main screen, you will then be able to go to the bottom right hand corner and select settings. And then once we select settings, you want to go to the left hand sidebar here, scroll down and then select output. And then you want to go across and select recording. Now, once you do this, there's a couple of settings that we need to change in order to make sure we've got the highest quality possible. So the first of all, what we need to do is go to type, and we need to leave this on standard. Then you want to choose your recording path, which is the place where your recordings will be saved once you have finished recording. As you can see, I've made a separate folder right here for YouTube videos, or you can click on browse and save it wherever you like. From here, you want to go down and select the recording format. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you select MP4. Once we select MP4, the audio track will be default at 1, and that's absolutely fine once you set your mic up. For me, what you want to do is go over to the encoder, and here is where you will now want to choose your graphics card. For me, I'm using a Mac, so if you're on Mac or you don't have a graphics card, you want to choose X264. Select this right here, and this is the one that you want to use. If not, what you will use is you will use your GeForce graphic card or whatever you're using. Now, what you want to do is you will want to scroll down. You can leave this exactly as it is, and then once you get down to rate control, you want to click on the drop down menu and make sure you select CBR. Click on CBR, and then for the bitrate, the higher the bitrate, the better your footage will look. Now, your computer needs to be able to handle the higher bitrate, but for me, what works fine is 25,000. Once you go ahead and put this bitrate in, this will give you the highest quality that you can possibly get. Now, the keyframe interval you will leave at 0. CPU usage, you will select ultra fast on this, which is the highest you can possibly get if your device does allow. Now, down to profile, you want to select high, and then the tune is left at none, and the X264 options is left as blank. Once you do this, what you simply need to do now is click on apply in the bottom left hand corner, and then once you start recording, this will give you the highest possible footage as possible. So it's just that simple, guys. That's the best settings that you can use on OBS in 2025.